Make a great choice today with
the 2024 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.